Fuck it, Jessica.
So I was on location the other day, right? They sent me to pick up some lunch. Anyway, I was walking into the Cafe Express, and I see the most, like the mostest, hottest. So fine, you know what I'm saying? Standing in line to order, she orders a veggie burger. All right, no tomatoes, no sourdough bread. You know what I'm saying? This is about the time, you know, I'm looking at her. I'm looking at her, right? And she's smiling at me. She's smiling at me, you know. But
of course.
Right. And so I decided I don't make my move, man. I'm gonna slide in next to her.
No.
Yeah, exactly. I know what I'm saying. So anyway,
don't do it.
So I ask her name. I ask her what her name is.
Right.
It's Jessica. Jessica. Jessica, what's her name?
It's a nice one.
Yeah. That's not a bad.
Fuck it, Jessica.
Exactly.
What's up, Jessica?
I say, well, you know, that's a nice name. And I tell her, and I say, hey man, I got this magic watch. And she says, oh really? I say, yeah, I got a fucking magic watch. And this magic watch is telling me that you're not wearing any panties. She looks at me and she says, well, I tell you what, I am wearing panties.
Play how to get back.
And then I say, well, you know, the thing about this magic watch is that it runs an hour fast. So anyway, I get a number, right? Hold on, wait. Hey, hold on, I get a number, okay? She calls me later on down the week.
Give me some bongos.
Right, I tell her I'm at the laundromat. I'll pick her up about 8 o'clock, alright? So I swing by, pick her up, bring her back to my place. We got a couple bottles of wine, we're drinking, we're watching movies.
Fucking.
Alright, no, yeah. And then, wait, take it easy. Whoa.
My bad.
And then we start fucking.
Alright.
And then I'm fucking her. And I look down, man, you know what I'm saying? And there's blood, man. There's blood. I know. Alright, I'm like, well, hey, you know what I'm saying? What am I doing? Am I getting my fucking Red Wings here?
Out Red Bull.
And she looks at me and she says, no, it's just my herpes.